In a quiet New England town lies a secret refuge for birds of all sizes, shapes, and colors. Welcome to Bird Words with your host, May Mullen. Today I'd like to talk to you about birds and where to find them. I'm kind of a bird expert. I've written 18 books about birds, including Birds in My Backyard and The Secret Natures of Blue Jays. I have 7 doctorates from each of the Ivy League schools, all in birding. I eat, drink, and breathe birds. I am also fluent in both bird song and bird call. Birds! Come on out! Birds! Despite their charming appearance, these woods can be dangerous. Many dangers lurk within the hollows of these trees. But not for me! 'Cause I know karate! Birds come in 3 different sizes: big, small, and large. My God. Anyway, thanks for watching Bird Note.